It's no secret that I love Creative Fabrica. No exaggeration. I use this thing every day, maybe 6, 7 times a week. And if you have a subscription, you have access to everything in this site. And I mean everything. So that gives you over 70,000 fonts, 3.4 million graphics. And when you have a subscription, it just looks like this. Everything is just included. There's no prices anywhere. So I wanted to show you really quickly what that looks like. I'm just going to go into graphics, and then I'm going to go into, say, home crafts. I'm just picking something here at random. And here's a bunch of Halloween bundles. Now you'll notice the thumbnail will say things like 99% off or it'll be on sale, but there's no prices. Because I have the subscription, everything is just included. So if I wanted this sarcastic bundle, for example, I'll click on this. You'll see it automatically goes here to the download page. There's nothing to buy. So I have access to literally everything, unlimited downloads all month long. Now I wanted to mention, if you're interested in getting a subscription, I've got a link that I'm going to put in the video description below. And just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. And what that means is if you buy this, if you buy anything on Creative Fabrica, I would receive a small commission. I do stand by these guys. Creative Fabrica is awesome. And what you can do here is for the first month, it's $1. And then it renews at $19 US a month, which is 35% forever. So this is like a lifetime subscription. Now you can cancel it at any time, but you can keep it going for as long as you want. And you can actually try out the subscription for the first month for $1. Okay, so we get questions from time to time here at the Zen Watercooler headquarters. And so I wanted to just show you what happens when you buy something or when you have a subscription. So the single sales license is when you purchase something. If you purchase any item on the site, it's automatically covered. And what you're allowed to do is create physical end products and create unlimited digital end products. The physical end products, you're allowed to do this. The digital end products, you're allowed to do this. I will put this in the video description as well. So you're allowed to use the elements to create a new design if you're selling digital. You can't just resell the original. So you can't just download all the items off of Creative Fabrica and just sell them as is. Now I'm going to get into an example here about physical products. Okay, so here's a common question that I get a lot on the Zen Watercooler channel. Here we've got an example of a nice young lady here, and she's uploaded a design onto Redbubble. So she's found this design on Creative Fabrica, and she's then not changed it at all. She's just uploaded it to Redbubble, and now she is selling the design as is. Not a problem. Legally, this is okay. Until this guy shows up. He also grabs the exact same design on Creative Fabrica and he uploads it to Redbubble. So now there's two designs on Redbubble that are the exact same. Kitty Cat is highly popular. Then this guy shows up and he uploads the design to Redbubble. And then this guy shows up and this guy shows up. So now there's a whole bunch of people all with the exact same design. Here's the deal. This lady can claim the copyright on Redbubble because she was the first one to upload it. So what I recommend, instead of just uploading the design as is, I recommend changing the design somehow. So use this as a basis for your design. So look, it doesn't need to be a huge change. I know that people get hung up on, well, how much should I change? You know, what can I do to make it look different? Okay, well, here's one. Let's just add in a little brush, and I'm in Photoshop. I'm just going to add a little layer, and I'm going to make this a bit smaller, and now I'm going to paint the sun where the cat's whiskers are, and now it's yellow. And then I'm going to add another circle here. There we go. That's a change. That's a change. That's a change. These are all changes. I've significantly changed the design, and so I don't need to worry now if I upload these because nobody else has that exact same design. The base design might be the same, but I'm now unique. I'm an artist. I do want to point out as well that if you're not interested in buying anything, that's totally okay. There's actually a freebies section located right here. So if you click on freebies, you can see all freebies, fonts, SVGs. I'm going to click on all freebies, and we can see we've got fonts, we've got graphics, we've got all sorts of cool stuff that you can check out. There's also newest freebies down here at the bottom. These are free and they also have the commercial license included. So you can try it out, which is a great feature. If you've got a little bit of budget and you don't want to maybe get the free stuff, but you'd like to see what the other bigger bundles are, there's these discount deals right next to the freebies. So I'm going to click on that. Now, in the discount deals, if you have a subscription, keep in mind this is all included. So I've just got no prices next to it here. It just says download, download, download. So the Christmas multi-layer files SVG bundle, this is really nice. Normally $100. I don't know what the actual price is. I just click the download button. I'm going to sign out and I'll show you what it's like if you don't have a subscription. And through the magic of video editing, we can see Christmas multi-layer files SVG bundle, $1. Normally $100. So these discount deals are no joke. Now they are limited. You'll see here it's gone in 4 days, 3 hours, and the clock is ticking at the time of this recording. I'm just going to click on this to see what it looks like. So here you get a zip folder that contains the file formats SVG, DXF, EPS, PNG, and PDF, and you get these designs. You can also buy all 24 of the discount deals. So these cycle through, they're up every week and then they disappear. And then there's new ones that come in. So if you want all of these, you can actually just purchase them all and you get buy all 24 for only $19.20. So you actually save an extra 20% on top of the deal. It's deals on top of deals. It's madness. And then there's upcoming discount deals as well. So you can see what's coming up in a week. So you can actually plan out. You can see some Christmas stuff is coming in. There's a nice font there, some Halloween-y stuff. And yeah, there's lots and lots. Man, you can spend hours looking at Creative Fabrica. All right, so I won't keep you any longer. Thank you so much for watching. I encourage you to check out Creative Fabrica. Click the link below, and you've got lots of options. Freebies, discount deals, and if you're interested in a subscription, make sure to check out that link. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care.